All right, outdoor units. There is a gate on this side. However, the gate is stuck. The homeowner said she can't get it open. So unfortunately, I guess I shouldn't say unfortunately, because the driveway does pull around behind the house. So you could back in over here to get to the AC. We're gonna need to bring out a new pad, flush line sets, new disconnect, and then the garage back here walks right into kind of the utility area where the furnace is sitting at. I'll walk in here. All right, panel on this side. The driveway's on this side as well, and there's a door right there. You can come right through. Floor drain in front of the unit. It's a C-width furnace, C-width coil. There's no base on the furnace. It's only 34 inches tall, sitting right on the floor. Returns a 10 by 20. Little tiny filter on that thing. Got a bypass humidifier. We'll put 1210 on this with a new return drop. Let me try to find where this water line is connected to. Saddle valve up there. 6 inch on the flue there. 6 by 4 by 4 for the water heater. This is the unit that's servicing just the main floor, and there's a couple of basement cutout vents